A major security breach has been reported from the juvenile observation home in Arispura area of Jammu and Kashmir. At around 5 p.m. we are learning 3 inmates allegedly attacked on-duty police personnel and managed to escape from the facility. 2 policemen were injured in the incident and have been shifted to a government medical college in Jammu where their condition is being monitored. Now we are also learning that out of the 3 inmates who have escaped the juvenile home, 2 were Pakistani teens. These inmates escaped after attacking cops, and these cops have been injured and they are being treated in the government medical college. The escapees have been identified as Ehsan Anwar and Mohammad Sanaullah, both Pakistani nationals, along with Karanjit Singh of Arispura. As a result of this escape, a massive search operation has been launched in the area, and we are learning this entire area has been cordoned off. My colleague Ankit Bhatt brings us this walkthrough from outside this juvenile home. Take a look at that.
A shocking incident has came into the light in Arispura, where right now I am standing outside the observation home. 3 of the inmates have fled from this particular building. This is an observation center where these 3 were kept. Where these 3 were kept. 2 of them are the Pakistani. 1 is a local gangster. What we are learning is that 3 of the inmates has fell from here. The CCTV has been came into the light where we can clearly see one of the associate is firing on the Jammu and Kashmir police. 2 of the policemen were injured. They were being shifted to the nearest hospital, but right now you can see clearly the Jammu Kashmir police is investigating the whole matter. FSL team is over here. What come into the incident is that 3 of them has fell from this particular area. Jammu Kashmir police along with the FSL is investigating the whole matter. SIT has been set up by the Jammu and Kashmir police. Entry and the exit points has totally been sealed by the Jammu and Kashmir police so that they could not run away from this particular area. This is the Arispura area where from these 3 inmates have fell. This is an observation home where from outside we are right now reporting. Jammu Kashmir Police DGP along with the IG, DIG and the top officials of the Jammu and Kashmir Police reached the spot. Investigation is underway, and this is the this is the building where from these 3 inmates have fell. What we are learning is that 2 of them are the Pakistani and 1 is a local gangster. The different cases are being which they are being booked in, but right now a massive catch and hunt operation is underway so that as soon as possible these 3 inmates could be catched by the Jammu and Kashmir police.
In fact, at this point in time, we are being joined by Ankit. Ankit, we were just watching your report. You were mentioning how now an SIT team has also been formed to investigate the matter. In the CCTV visual, which we can see on the TV right now, we can see these 3 inmates, 2 of them attacking the police personnel and then escaping this observation home. What went wrong? How did they manage to escape the observation center? And where has the investigation been taken up to right now?
Yes, absolutely. It's a very shocking incident as of now. Right now, I am standing outside the observation home. You can see from the spot, Jammu Kashmir Police along with the FSL is investigating the whole incident. How come this incident took place inside the observation home? They have totally sealed this entire area. You can see Jammu Kashmir Police is inside this observation home. FSL team is also inside the observation home. What important is that how come these 3 inmates get a weapon inside observation home? It's a matter of investigation, they have fired upon two of the Jawans of Jammu and Kashmir police and felt from this particular area. What we are seeing is that the top officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police is on the ground. You can see they are investigating the whole matter. The FSL team is over here. What we are also learning is that two of them are the Pakistani. One of them is a local gangster. They were kept inside this particular home observation building, but right now a massive search is being underway by the Jammu and Kashmir police in this particular entire area. This is a Araspura area where Jammu and Kashmir police is conducting a massive search operation so that these three inmates could be catch as soon as possible. Jammu Kashmir Police DGP along with the DIG, IG Jammu Zone and the top officials of the Jammu and Kashmir Police has visited the particular spot. Look at this particular spot. We are trying to show you from our visuals is that the whole area has been sealed. The FSL team is over here. They're totally investigating this matter, but the question is again the same: how these three inmates, two Pakistani, one of them is a local gangster, managed to get the weapon inside this observation home. Has they snatched from the police, or they have get from the outside? This is a matter of investigation. But right now, Jammu and Kashmir police has launched a massive search so that these three inmates could be as soon as possible arrested. The total area which we are standing over here is the Araspura area. This is a border belt also, but from the entry to the exit points, Jammu Kashmir police has sealed all the area so that these three inmates couldn't escape from this particular area.
Right. Right, Ankit, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial details from ground. As of now, an SIT team has been formed. Top Jammu and Kashmir police officials are on ground zero. And the big question is how these three inmates, including two Pakistani nationals, managed to flee this observation home. Thank you so much, Ankit, for joining us with all those details. We'll keep a close eye on that story.